Okay, let's begin. First we do this 5 over 10 times 10, and here we can easily cancel this 10 and this 10. This equal 5, and 10 divided by 5, this equals 2. But this is not correct answer, because 10, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this 10 divided by 5 over 10. In this case, we have to use key CF rule. Key stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And according to this rule, first we have to copy this number 10, keep, and change. We have to change division to multiplication, and in this fraction we have to flip 10 over 5 multiplied by 10. And first we have to work this, and we can easily cancel this 10 and 5 here, 2, and 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. And first we have to work this, and this equals 20 multiplied by 10, and this equals 200. And this is our correct and final answer. We can write it here. 2000. That's all. Thank you.